Alright, we're in Woodbury, Tennessee. We're down in a little creek bed. We're just playing around today, trying to get a little bit of video of some of our hills down here. This one right here in front of us, well, I'll just be honest with you, I don't see Gary making it, but he's going to give it a shot. So, let's see what happens. Hit it! Well, I stand corrected.